Hi, I'm Peter Getzels, and I'm a documentary filmmaker. I've made over 40 films around the world. Last year, I had an opportunity to go to the Antarctic with Ron Naveen and a group of penguin counters. The project we filmed while we were there was really a testament to this extraordinary work that Ron and his team are doing. We're trying to make a film about that expedition, and we want you to join us in this campaign. You'll have a chance to see the Antarctic like no one has ever seen the Antarctic before. You'll learn about the science, you'll learn about what penguins tell us about the future of the world, and you'll learn about the deep passion that drives people to go to the ends of the world to discover really important things for all of us.
Okay, so I got 35 twice. I'm going to do it one more time.
This film needs to be funded because the message it is telling is so important. When you step onto an island and you see one species flourishing, and then you step onto another island and the civilization is falling apart, the species are dying, you would start to question, what's the difference here? The populations that are finding new food sources, finding new places to nest, continuing to make babies, are the ones that are going to survive. As a human race, we need to take a page out of the penguin's book here and realize that flexibility and adaptability are the key to survival.
Logging and transcribing penguin footage was the first job I ever had at Getzels Gordon. It's things you've never seen before. The nature photography is awesome, like seeing the dolphins next to the zodiacs and seeing the penguins doing their crazy things and seeing elephant seals fight each other. It's like a completely different world.
I think when kids think about science and being a scientist and a biologist, they think sitting in a lab for like 12 hours a day. But Ron and his team are out in the harshest of elements.
We've aborted, too dangerous up high.
And I think that's an exciting and adventurous message to send to kids and to show that science is cool.
Like he talks about how he used to be a lawyer and had a normal life where it didn't involve getting on a ship and sailing into this like most extreme environment.
Sometimes it's people that work at the boundaries of science, at the edge of science, that can bring us back the most. And Ron Naveen is one of those scientists. He's been doing this in a very unorthodox way, but a way that's reached some great data that's being used around the world by over 50 countries that are all party to the Antarctic Treaty Organization. If you join us by donating to the Penguin Counters, you're not just supporting a film, you're actually supporting a non-for-profit organization that is doing some really critical work at the end of the earth.
We got a whole swarm of krill up here on the beach. These little shrimp fuel the whole ecosystem. All the penguins eat it, and part of our study, it's really key to figure out what's happening with the krill population.
We're asking for money so we can actually finish this film. We can do the post-production, we can do the editing. We can really bring to life this most extraordinary, beautiful part of the world. Join us on this film. We have incredible awards. You get ringtones of penguins from various regions of the Antarctic. You'll get sight guides. We have posters. We have photographs. We have penguins. We have all sorts of things.
It's just amazing to see how far these people will go for the sake of something like science and biology and the environment. I think it's inspiring to see how far passion can take you.